Hi, good morning. Om Namah Shivaya student. Standard 9, subject maths, chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. In previous lesson, we have studied coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system, quadrants. Clear? Now, some more formulas, distance formula. Let points A x1, y1, B x2, y2. Then distance between 2 points AB is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Clear? First of all, I revised previous lesson coordinate system. In coordinate system, we studied about rectangular coordinate system. That means Cartesian coordinate system. Two, two perpendicular lines intersect at a point O is called origin. This one is origin. And x dash is our x coordinate and y dash is our y coordinate. Clear student? In previous lesson, how to plot the points on a Cartesian system, and we studied about quadrant. In first quadrant, we have x coordinate positive, y coordinate also positive. In second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In third quadrant, we have x coordinate negative and y coordinate also negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. Clear? In first quadrant, both are positive. In second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, y coordinate positive. In third quadrant, both are negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. Clear? Now, plot the points 3, 4 on graph paper. First question. Plot the point 3, 4 on graph paper. Look at here. This one is our graph paper. Plot the point 3 and 3, 4. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. Look at here, x coordinate plus 3 on OX ray. Clear? 3 and y coordinate is 4. Look at here, 4. Then our point is, this one is our point 3, 4, point P, 3, 4. Clear? Write the quadrant for the following points of given number. First, A, 3, 4. Which quadrant? X coordinate positive, y coordinate also positive. That's why first quadrant. Which quadrant? First quadrant. Point B, -2, 3. Look at here. X coordinate negative, y coordinate positive, negative, positive. Then second quadrant, point C, -5, -2. X coordinate negative, y coordinate also negative. That's why third quadrant. Third quadrant. Point D, 4, -3. X coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. X coordinate positive and y coordinate is negative. That's why fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Point E, -5, -5. Both are negative in third quadrant. Clear? Write the quadrants for the following points. Any points they give, then we can write the quadrants. Clear, student? Now, look at question number 3. Plot the following points on the graph paper. Plot the following points on the graph paper. Clear? First point is 2, 5. Check all the points. Maximum coordinate of x-axis is, maximum number is plus 5 minus 7, minimum is minus 7. Then make your graph between 5 to minus 7, and minimum number and maximum number and minimum number on y-axis also 5 and 5. Clear? So first point A, 2, 5. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 5. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 5. This one is our point A. Second point B, minus 5, minus 7. Look at here, both coordinates are negative, that's why third quadrant, minus 5, minus 7. X coordinate minus 5, y coordinate minus 7. So this point is our point B, minus 5, minus 7. Clear? We denote like this also. Point C, 3 minus 2. X coordinate plus 3, y coordinate minus 2. X coordinate plus 3, y coordinate minus 2. Downstairs here. Point C is 3 minus 2. Point D, x coordinate 0, y coordinate is 5. So this point on y axis, we have x coordinate is 0, we have y coordinate 5. That's why point on y axis 0, 5, point D. E, point E, 5, 0. X coordinate 5 and y coordinate 0. That's why this point on x axis 5, 0, point E 5, 0. Clear, student? Understood? Now, homework, complete exercise 3. 3.3, 2 and 3.3. Clear? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.